Yeah, today I want to share with you this pastel painting. This is how I started. You can see with the reference picture. I never even go far. So I just want to share with you. If you are upcoming artist or you love pastel and you don't know how to go about it, this tutorial can help you improve and take your art to the next level. So this is a portrait using pastel method. If it's your first time coming across this page or channel, subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more tutorial. If you are a beginner or if you are an experienced artist and you are having some challenges, with this little tips can help you improve on your pastel. So in this channel or page, I do both realistic painting, pastel and charcoal pencil. So the page or the channel is joyful to watch. Watch till the end so that you not miss out the step. So having this portrait and looking at the reference after having the sketch, trying to start with the tune. I observe the tune color. Yeah, so I followed it up and trying to bring out the detail to bring out the resemblance as you can see in the picture. One thing I can tell you with um the artist is keep creating. No matter what, never give up on your dream. Keep pursuing. Keep keep pushing it every day. Keep pushing boundaries every day. You know. When I first started this, I thought that I would never do something like this. But today, people appreciate my work and recommend me to people. So I think I'm on the right side, as you can see. So this is really really nice as we are heading through to the finishing of the work. As you can see, this which is very nice. So comment, tell me what you think of it. You can help me share and invite some of the people you know that they have interest in arts that they can follow or subscribe to my page for more art and tips. So I think we'll come to the end of today's class. I hope you learned something today. See you in my next video. So just creating, keep practicing. Art is practice. So just keep doing your best and keep watching tutorials like this to help you improve. So see you in my next video. Love you.